Are you a student looking for ways to make money while schooling? Well, we have outlined 12 lucrative business ideas for you. As a student, sometimes you struggle with time, and accommodating a business may not be easy. But by taking advantage of the online space, you can earn money while getting a degree. Before we talk about the different things you can do to make money as a student, please subscribe to Academic Related TV and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever a new video comes up. Now let's begin. The first on our list is sell your photos. Many smartphones now come with good cameras that can give you some great photos. But do you know that you can sell your photos? Yes, you can. I know some of you may be wondering, how do I sell my photos? Well, you can sell your photos on different websites like Shutterstock. You can put up a profile and sell your photos, and surprisingly, you will have people who will buy your photos for their personal use. They may use these photos for their websites, graphics work, or advertisement for their brands if they find the photo depicting whatever they want to achieve. On platforms like Shutterstock, you can sign up as a creative to share your work and get paid. All you need to do is create your photos, submit them to meet their requirements, and start earning from people's downloads. 2. Create how-to videos. There are so many people with so many problems searching for different solutions to their problems. So you can create video content around providing solutions to specific problems and make money. This is simply you teaching people what you know very well and getting paid to do that. When you create content like this, you will need platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on to upload content like this and make money. YouTube is primarily a video search engine. Then Facebook is where you can create a particular content and people can search for that particular solution and get to see your video if you rank for that keyword. 3. Become a writer. You can make so much money as a student who knows how to write very well. There are many freelance websites where writers can sign up and make money writing, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. This is a good way to set up gigs on the platform and make money writing. Over the past few years, demand for writers has increased, ranging from copywriting to SEO writing. You need to develop yourself around the best skill you are looking out for and make money. 4. Create a podcast. With a podcast, you can share your knowledge via audio platform. All you need to do is create audio content around whatever subject you know how to share very well. This is a good way for those who are very shy to share their knowledge. 5. Web design. You can learn how to create a website, be it from scratch, or use a third-party platform like WordPress to create the website. Web developers have been in high demand for some time, so you can take advantage of the demand and learn how to set up a website for brands and companies. If you can develop a website very well, create an online profile and look out for clients, you can make a good amount of money from a few clients every month. 6. Start a mini importation business. This is doing what the big e-commerce sites do on a smaller scale. Many people don't want to go through the stress of buying products from different countries around the world and then transporting to your location. So you can use many online tools to solve this problem for people. By simply buying stuffs and sending them to their respective location, you can make so much money doing this. 7. Freelance proofreaders. So many companies battle with a lot of documents even for their websites, including terms and conditions and privacy policies. Some of these documents are very lengthy and so many mistakes could be made. If you know how to proofread documents and even ebooks, then this is an opportunity for you to make money. With the help of many digital tools like Grammarly, you can use them to make work easier for yourself. This is a good way to get errors out of any document before publication or even before others get to see it. In freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork, you will find those looking for such services. 8. Typing for cash. There are many channels out there that allow you to make money typing. So if you love typing, this is a good way to monetize it. It could be to translate a document from one language to another, or it could be to translate a video file to a written document. 9. Create a blog. Blogging is simply writing search engine optimized content on any subjects people are searching for and making money via Google AdSense or sponsored posts. What you need is a website. You can simply get that done with WordPress and then start putting up content. You can include links for your personal products or affiliate products and earn commission for every sale you make. 10. Ebook business. You don't need to be an expert to start writing books. You only need to have a good knowledge you want to share to the world. In writing ebooks, you can make so much money from the sales you make. You can promote your ebook on social media or on a website where people can get to see it and make purchases. 11. Internet survey. There are various websites that enable you to take internet surveys. There are many companies out there that want a survey that will enable them to make better decisions around their business. You can do that for them and get paid. 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply getting commission for other people's products you sell. There are many affiliate networks where you can get some commission selling their products. A lot of people have made so much money doing this. That's why you should take these 12 lucrative ideas seriously and start making money as a student. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Academic Related TV for more videos like this. And just before you leave, kindly check out other videos on this channel.